The dumbbell anchored lying leg raise primarily targets the lower abdominal muscles. Compared to the regular lying leg raise, in this variation you hold onto a pair of dumbbells on the floor behind your head to help stabilize your upper body while performing the leg raise. This allows you to focus more on the lower abdominal muscles and closely resembles the hanging leg raise due to the arms positioned overhead. Here's how to do it correctly. Lie flat on your back on the floor. Place a pair of heavy dumbbells on the floor behind your head. Grip the dumbbells with both hands with your arms fully extended and your legs extended straight out in front of you, keeping them close together. Before starting the leg raise, engage your core muscles by pulling your belly button towards your spine while focusing on keeping your lower back pressed into the floor. Exhale, then focus on using your lower abdominal muscles to slowly lift your legs up towards the ceiling, keeping them straight and together. Continue to curl your hips until your feet are in line with your eyes and your lower back is off the floor. Pause briefly at the top of the movement, feeling the contraction in your lower abs. Inhale, then under control, slowly lower your legs back down to the starting position, keeping them straight and together. Repeat for reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.